All right, hey everybody, how you doing? All right, so we got the GoPro Hero Black 7 mounted with the Sportsman mount to my Matthews bow, and we're gonna try this position first, and then maybe play around with it, see if it just has a better mounting option. So anyway, we're gonna shoot it 30 yards, and I'm gonna turn the GoPro on, and we'll be doing some shoot footage with that. That's kind of what it looks like. Mount it right there. Might even mount it to the upper part of the riser right there. But anyway, we're going to fling some arrows. See you in a few. Bye. All right, guys. So got the arrow nocks. Still shooting my broadheads. Haven't changed anything out. Don't really need to anyway. But you can see my target right there, and we're at 30 yards. So let's fling an arrow. Yeah. So the camera didn't move, mount held steady. It's pretty good. Can't complain about that. Well, let's go pull this arrow, and then we'll shoot another one. All right, guys, so here we go. Shot number 2, zoomed out this time instead of being all zoomed in. I'm still shooting at 30 yards, and this is with the Hero Black 7 and the Sportsman's mount. So far, so good. No weird noises. It's pretty quiet. I'm liking it. I can't really say a whole lot because this is only the second shot. So let's see what happens here. Looks good. So mountain didn't move, not hearing any noises, which is awesome. Really liking that. So there it is there. A little shooting with the Sportsman's mount. All right. All right, so here we go. Shot number 3. Yep, mount's staying true. So 3 shots, and it's on my Matthews. This one's on my Matthews Monster 8. So definitely shoots hard, this bow. It's a 70 to 80 pound. I got it set at 76 right now. So anyway, there it is. I pulled that one a little bit, my bad. But yeah, liking the mount. All right, so I'm done shooting the bow. 3 shots. The mount has not moved, so I'm gonna download those videos on the GoPro and just see how they look. Anyway, super simple to use. And just turn that lever there, slides right off. There's the mount, 2 pieces together. You could adjust the screws right here, tilt the camera down or up more, and adjust it a little more. So that's it in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you out in any way, shape, or form, and you like this video, just please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. We'd greatly appreciate it. GoPro Hero 7 Black with the Sportsman's mount.